Alright, so we just got back home from shooting part 2 of the car video, and I just remembered that there is a package on our front porch. And you'll notice that there are 2 stairs leading into our front door, which the reason is that we have a ramp in our garage, and that's how we get in. But you'll see the placement of the package here. It's kind of at a weird distance from both the front door and from the stairs. So we have something that we use all the time, and I'm going to cover this in another video on different things that we kind of use in our everyday lives that kind of help us out. But this is actually called the Nifty Nabber Pro. We call it the Reachy Stick, and you'll see it has pinchers, but it's really handy. I keep it in the garage, and I kind of use the claw to pull it whichever direction. Sometimes it doesn't work as great as you'd like it to. And hopefully I don't break whatever's in here. But you'll see it kind of helps me just get just enough to where I can get a hold of the package. And so the reason I say it's a PSA is I would love for delivery people, UPS, FedEx, whatever, when they're delivering packages, to keep this in mind when they deliver to a house that they know has a wheelchair user in it. Because if it's on this side of the door, if I'm inside the house and I open my front door, I can't get to the package, which means I have to go all the way through my house, down into my garage, and out to the front. So I actually prefer it to be pushed all the way up by the door on the side where the door opens. That's just what makes it easier for me. So anyway, that's just another little quick thing that I wanted to mention. And like I said, I'm going to be covering some more things like this that we use kind of every day. I've got a few things in mind I want to show you guys, because there are a lot of really, really simple tools that can actually make things a little bit easier for you. And this thing comes in handy for all kinds of things. So anyway, all right, thanks guys.